On today's menu, a very special recipe that really is no joke. My cookbook edition, vegan ramen egg.
Lei home ma everyone, I'm Yeung. I recently published the first ever vegan ramen cookbook, and since I've received a lot of comments on why there is an egg in a vegan ramen cookbook, but that is literally just how realistic it looks. Now, if you missed the launch trailer for this book from Kickstarter, you can watch it in the link above or a link in the description box below. Now, this egg is actually made with cashews and chickpeas. Now, this is how you make it.
Blender, 1/2 cups cashew milk, 2 teaspoons agar powder.
Now this is a bit of a specialty ingredient. It's called black salt. You can find this online or at Indian supermarkets. It literally smells like sulfur. And this is what's going to give it that eggy kind of smell and flavor.
1/2 teaspoon black salt. Blend on high until emulsified. Egg white base. Stir continuously until it just comes to a boil. Pour the egg mixture into an egg-shaped mold. Carefully transfer to the fridge and chill for 40 minutes. In a clean blender, add 1/2 cups canned chickpeas, 1/4 cup chickpea water, 1/4 teaspoon pink salt, 1/2 tablespoon turmeric powder. Blend on medium-high, leaving a little bit of texture. Two tablespoons grapeseed oil.
Every ingredient in there has a specific purpose, so don't skimp on them.
Stir.
That oil will give it a bit of a glossiness.
Egg whites. Carefully pop out the egg whites from the mold. Use a melon baller to scoop out a little bit of the egg white. Fill the egg whites with the egg yolk.
I mean, seriously, just look at that yolk. Literally art. And there you have some incredibly realistic looking ramen eggs.
You can now make the most realistic vegan ramen egg with absolute confidence.
That seriously tastes like egg. Texture, smell, flavor. That is really just incredible.
As an added bonus, add some of the egg white and the egg yolk to a blender, blend it on low, and you'll have the most amazing scrambled eggs or egg salad. Fresh cracked pepper, chives. You can now make this bonus dish with absolute confidence.
That has got to be the most realistic looking vegan ramen egg ever. If you'd like to learn more about my vegan ramen cookbook or purchase a copy, you can click the link above or a link in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.